Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. As you can tell from the title, today is going to be a perfume haul. If you're new to my channel, I already have tons of videos on different perfumes, from reviews to first impressions to my full collection, just anything fragrance related I have created in a playlist which I will leave up here in the cards. So if you would like to see all my fragrance related videos, or if I reference any other fragrances and you'd like to see my views on that, definitely hit the card and you will have the playlist of all my fragrance related videos. But today is going to be a haul which I haven't done a fragrance haul I think in a really long time. I've done a lot of fragrance videos but just not hauls. So all the products mentioned will be listed in the description box down below, as well as links to where you can purchase. Yeah, and let's get straight into it. So the first fragrance that I picked up is Valentino Donna, born in Roma, and I had no intention of picking up this fragrance. I don't know much about Valentino fragrances. I don't own any Valentino fragrances, and I've never been drawn to it, just because there's so many fragrances out there. It's so hard to keep an eye on everything. But the reason why I bought this was because Chriselle Saus from Selling Sunset, who I absolutely love. She is just, if you don't know who I'm talking about, Google her. She's absolutely stunning. And she's on Selling Sunset. She was recently on Dance with the Stars, and she's absolutely gorgeous, and I love her and I'm obsessed. However, she was doing an Instagram live, I believe, and somebody asked her, what is your go-to fragrance, or your favorite fragrance, or something like that. And she said Valentino Donna. But the thing is that there's multiple Donnas, so I don't know if it's this one she was referring to, because she didn't actually go into detail. She literally just said Valentino Donna, and so I was like, okay, if she likes it, I'm definitely gonna like it, because she just looks like someone that smells really good and likes good fragrances. So that is the reason why I purchased this fragrance. So I went with Valentino Donna, born in Roma, but I believe there is another one, so I don't know if she was referring to that. But anyway, so here we are. Here is the fragrance, and this actually was a set. So it came with the 50ml bottle, or the 1.7 fluid ounces, and then I think this is, I believe, 10 or 15ml, like a travel one. I actually haven't even smelled it before. I literally just bought it online, but I figured just from the notes that I'm most likely going to like it anyway. But I love the packaging. The packaging is so beautiful. I am actually going to film a first impressions video, which will be out. impressions, you guys will get more on my thoughts. But yeah, I don't remember it smelling like this. But anyway, this is a woody floral and it's Givenchy L'interdit. I don't know. The next fragrance that I picked up is from Dior, and this is an OG fragrance. Like, I've never actually owned it before, but I know it's like an old fragrance, and it's Hypnotic Poison by Dior. And for me, it was kind of nostalgic. Like, I remember, I don't know which adult around me was wearing this when I was younger or was wearing something similar, but it just takes me back to like when I was younger, and so that is why I picked this up. It's definitely more of a mature scent in comparison to all the other sort of fragrances that I typically mention on my channel. This one is, I would say, the most different in a sense because it definitely gives me vintage vibes. But I'm going to do a first impression, so I don't want to talk too much. But this is the 1.7 fluid. In fact, I think all of these fragrances are 1.7 fluid ounces, and they are 15ml bottles. But I love the packaging. It's like an apple. Valentino Donna is definitely my favorite packaging. That is just absolutely stunning. But yeah, this is actually really cute. I'm going to do my first impression of this, and this is actually an eau de toilette. The Valentino, the Givenchy are eau de parfums, and this one is an eau de toilette. But from reviews, this stuff is so strong, and typically I never go for EDT because they just don't last on my skin. But this apparently is very, very long lasting, that you only need a little bit because it can become sort of very overpowering. So that is Dior Hypnotic Poison. The next fragrance that I picked up is Lancome Idole. I think it's, let me check real quick. Yes, this is Lancome Idole, and it is a floral fragrance that was launched in 2019. I don't really care for the bottle. It's really slim and slender, very basic, but I smelt this when I was with my friends and we were in Boots and we were just smelling fragrances, and I sprayed this and I liked it, so I decided to pick it up. And I want to do a sort of fragrance battle with Lancome Idole, which I will film today actually as well, so you're going to get my sort of full view on this. But I do like it. Let me spray it. I'm like spraying different. Yeah, it is a really nice really nice scent. It is different to Idole. It's not as sweet as that fragrance, and I feel like this one is slightly more mature, but it's really refreshing, somewhat clean floral scent. So yeah, I'm going to do a perfume versus with Idole, so you guys can get my view on that. But yeah, and last but not least is a fragrance that I didn't actually purchase. My sister gave this to me, and it is Angel by Thierry Mugler. And I actually did I did Angel versus Alien, which is either a love or hate fragrance. But the reason I wanted to show this is because this is like a touch-up pen, or it's a perfume brush, which is so odd. I'm gonna do a close-up real quick here. As you can see, it's this white brush, and then like it has a click here. So when you click it a few times, this clear gel comes out of it, and I don't know what the purpose of this is. It's so unique and different. I guess it's like you can put it in your purse and like retouch your perfume if it decides to like wear off. But like, wouldn't you just have a spray? The gel is, I don't know, it's very confusing, but I thought it was really cool. And yeah, so if you want to know my thoughts on Angel as well as Alien, I will have that video that I filmed a while back in the description box down below. But yeah, this is the first that I've seen a perfume brush, and I guess you just like put it on your pulse points, I guess. So that is the end of this video. Like I've mentioned, all the products mentioned will be in the description box down below, and I will do a first impressions of all of these fragrances, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it, as well as subscribing to my channel if you'd like to see more content. But I will see you guys in my next video.